Guys, in this video I'm gonna let you know the ways to redeem your NAB credit cards reward point. In order to redeem your NAB credit cards reward point, you just have to follow the steps. First thing, you have to go and log into your NAB account. When you're logged in, that's gonna take you to the home page. You could also use an application. Either way, the procedure is gonna remain the same. So when you're logged into your account, you'll be taken to the home page. So from the home page, you could go ahead and select cards. After that, go and select NAB reward card and you'll be able to see your points. When you do that, select the redeem points and you'll be taken to the NAB reward store. Once you've done with that procedure, then there you could go ahead and redeem your points. You could also use it as a way of payment method. You could collect it and you could use it to pay any sort of item that you've purchased. So that's how you can redeem your NAB credit cards reward point. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.